Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the anniversary 2020 Azimut 50 Flybridge. This boat has literally just arrived from Viareggio, Italy, and I'm here to do a special feature benefit presentation and walkthrough of the boat with you. Let's take a step aboard and see what really makes the differences in this beautiful motor yacht. First, as we can see, we have a massive swim platform on this boat. It is full beam with really intricate design with steps on the side of the boat. This little fender design here on the side is intricately what makes an Azimut sort of look like an Azimut, purely Italian in design. Noticing immediately the woodworking on the teak, stainless steel design, and just the beauty of an Italian manufactured motor yacht. Cockpit table here, beautifully designed. And then of course this has the optional side crew quarters. Great for storage on this boat as well. This boat is packaged with the Volvo Penta D11 725 horsepower engines. And as you can see down below, plenty of room down here, generator right in the center, easily accessible with the steps on the side, strainers in plain view. Very, very nice design by this manufacturer. Let's take a step into the salon. So the beauty of this salon is that it has one of two wood finishes, the sand oak with intricate design right here, smart storage for all your cutlery and dishes. But just the beauty of the upholstery on the interior of the boat. Take a step to the helm. Raised up here on the floor, creating plenty of ample room in the master stateroom down below. We'll get that to a second. But just great visibility right here at the helm. You have a starboard side window, great for any single owner operator. Because this boat does have the joystick control, very, very easy to maneuver, side shifting the boat, spinning it 360 degrees with the Volvo Penta engines. Great digital dash display here, chain counter, perfect toggle buttons for all of your accessories, and then of course the twin 16-inch Raymarine screens. Just beautiful how this is laid out. To the port side we have our galley, stackable refrigerator freezer. Again, that beautiful sand oak throughout this boat. Automatic window here to the port side. Again, a lot of natural light choices, natural light wood on this boat, really making it feel much bigger than what it is. Truly something different. Beautiful wood floors throughout the salon and down the steps here into the walkway. Another refrigerator freezer up top. And of course, what would this boat be without the washer dryer combo right here for you? Let's take a step to the VIP. So the forward VIP we have here is the size of a queen bed. Beautiful whole side windows, portholes there, dual sconces, plenty of natural lighting here, and of course plenty of storage as well. Everything on this manufacturer is overdone. The woodworking, the upholstery, the fit and finish is all different on this manufacturer. This is the largest manufacturer of motor yachts in the entire world, and you can see why it's taking notice. Beautiful head here. Separated shower. And to the port side, stackable berth, but great use for storage. Last but not least, the master stateroom. Absolutely beautiful. Full beam, plenty of that sand oak throughout. Just, I mean, what else to say? Everything is vinyl wrap. Everything is done to the letter. Hull side window showing that glimmer of the water right on the ceiling as you wake up in the morning. Also, plenty of headroom as you're moving from one side to the other. I'd be remiss if I didn't point out the master head. Very, very spacious. And then we'll take a step back up to the main salon. The inherent feel of an Azimut is something completely different than any other manufacturer. As you step aboard the boat, you can smell the differences in the Italian leather. You can feel the differences in the texture on the woodworking that they do on this boat. Very, very nicely done. A little windy here today, but we'll take another walk through to the front. Something that Azimut does very, very well, this mirrored window that's actually seamless all the way to the front of the boat. Just a beautiful design. This boat, designed by Stefano Regini, is truly something different in a flybridge motor yacht. Stefano has done something here, which is a beautiful sun lounge on this model, the anniversary edition. So we have lounge space here, a great sitting space here, cup holders are apparent, and we do have covers for this area as well. So just a beautiful redesign of this model, and truly fitting for their anniversary edition. Let's take a step back to the flybridge. Part of one of the packages on this boat is your tow buttons or your chocks right here on the side, just making it really easy to bring that line in a nice windy day like today. The upgraded electronics package is on this boat. So we have both screens down below, the 16-inch screens, and also the Raymarine 16-inch screens up top. Part of the beauty of this manufacturer is that we use all American electronics and a lot of the same American components, so the ease of servicing and upgrading your electronics is very, very simple. This boat does have the Seakeeper stabilizing system. So none of that pitch and yaw that you're going to have out there on the water. Everything's nice and flat while you engage the gyroscopic stabilizer. You'll notice I'm standing all the way to the back of this platform. This is done very simply by all the carbon fiber components that Azimut uses in this boat. They're able to extend the aft platform all the way to the back, and then having space for these beautiful floating cushions right here. Can't get any better than this. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the Azimut 50 Flybridge Anniversary Edition. If you'd like to see more, come check us out at www.marinemax.com.